Christmas is here! And today, we're exploring the most essential Christmas decoration items that make homes sparkle with holiday cheer. From shiny baubles to jolly Santa dolls, let's discover what makes Christmas so special. Aster Basics. Christmas tree. The big, green star of Christmas. It's where all the magic and decorations begin. Christmas lights. Tiny glowing lights that make your home shine like a winter wonderland. Baubles, ornaments. Colorful balls and shapes that hang on the tree to make it sparkle. Tree topper. The shiny star sitting proudly on top of the tree like a crown. Angel figurine, tree topper alternative. A sweet little angel who watches over the Christmas tree from above. Tinsel. Shiny strings that make the tree glitter like it's covered in frost. Garland. Long, fluffy ropes wrapped around the tree to make it feel festive and full. Christmas wreath. A round ring of leaves and decorations that hangs on the door to welcome Christmas cheer. Mistletoe. A tiny plant that brings holiday smiles and sometimes silly kisses. Stocking. Funny little socks hung near the fireplace, waiting for treats and surprises. Candy cane. Striped peppermint sticks that decorate the tree and taste yummy too. Christmas ribbon. Long, shiny ribbons used to tie gifts and decorate the tree beautifully. Christmas bells. Jingling bells that fill the house with joyful Christmas sounds. Snowflake decor. Pretty white snowflakes that bring winter magic indoors. Snowman. A chubby, smiling snow buddy made from decorations, no melting included. Reindeer decor. Cute reindeer that remind us of Santa's fast and magical helpers. Santa Claus figurine. A cheerful mini Santa bringing joy, gifts, and holiday fun. Elf doll. Santa's tiny helper with pointy ears, always ready for mischief and magic. Gingerbread doll or gingerbread decor. Sweet-looking cookie friends you can hang or place around the house. Nutcracker. A tall wooden toy soldier that stands guard and adds classic Christmas charm. Gift box, decorative. Pretty wrapped boxes under the tree, adding color and excitement. Christmas cards. Colorful cards with lovely messages that spread Christmas cheer. Wrapping paper. Bright papers that make every gift look special and full of surprise. Poinsettia. A beautiful red Christmas flower that lights up the room. Holly leaves. Green leaves with red berries, a classic Christmas decoration symbol. Pine cone. Little pieces of nature that add a warm, cozy winter feel. Snow globe. A tiny world inside a glass ball, shake it to make it snow. Toy train. A cute little train that chugs around the tree, adding movement and fun. Tree charm or small ornaments. Little decorations that add tiny sparkles all over the tree. Christmas candle. Warm glowing candles that make everything feel calm and cozy. Christmas pudding. Food display or decor item. A classic holiday dessert often used as a cute display piece. Cake. Real or decorative Christmas cake. A festive cake decorated with Christmas colors, trees, and sprinkles. Candy. General Christmas sweets. Colorful sweets that make the season extra fun and delicious. Santa hat. The soft red hat that turns anyone into Santa's helper instantly. Santa's sleigh decor. A mini sleigh that reminds us how Santa zooms across the sky. Santa's sack decor. A tiny sack filled with decorative gifts, just like Santa's real bag. Fireplace. Decor item or mantle decor. A warm, cozy spot decorated with stockings, lights, and garlands. Chimney. Decor prop. The place where Santa pretends to slide in with presents. Nativity scene. A peaceful scene that tells the story of the first Christmas. Snow spray. White spray used to make windows and trees look snowy and frosty. Tree skirt. A soft cover under the tree that hides the stand and adds style. Christmas village miniatures. Tiny houses and shops that make a magical little Christmas town. Star. A big, bright star placed outside the home to shine for everyone. And that's all the most essential and must-have Christmas decorations items. Which one is your favorite, the Christmas tree, the snow globe, or the giant star outside the house? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to Aster Basics for more fun learning videos. Merry Christmas!